What is the primary source of energy in an ecosystem? The correct answer is sun. Without the sun, plants could not produce the energy needed for the entire food web. Who was the Greek god of the sea? The correct answer is Poseidon. Poseidon was often depicted carrying a trident, which he used to create earthquakes. What is the ratio of 10 to 5 in simplest form? The correct answer is 2:1. A ratio compares two quantities and can be simplified like a fraction. Which layer of the Earth is the thinnest? The correct answer is crust. The Earth's crust is comparable to the skin of an apple in thickness relative to the whole planet. Which instrument is used to measure air pressure? The correct answer is barometer. Changes in air pressure often indicate a change in the weather. What is the value of x if 2x equals 10? The correct answer is 5. In algebra, we use inverse operations, like division, to find the unknown value. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids of Giza? The correct answer is Egyptians. The Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. What is a group of lions called? The correct answer is pride. Prides are family units where females usually do most of the hunting. Which of these is a prime number? The correct answer is 13. A prime number can only be divided by 1 and itself. Which planet has the most visible rings? The correct answer is Saturn. Saturn's rings are made mostly of ice chunks and rock dust.